dollar index. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week, but before that I want to refer back to my last video when the price was here. We say we can expect we'll look for buy, and what we say we wanted to break out because we had a correction here. All right, as well, when we get the price here, actually there was no buy setup. The only way was to look for the breakout of this, but when we get this buy, as we can see here, because of this, maybe in the lower time frame I can highlight it. When we see this one, the sharp move and this correction, this is where we take out the trade. That means the buy is not valid anymore. Okay, and even if no one take out the trade here, the only way is when they see this one. But the best of things is for those traders that are not too familiar with how I trade, is that when we get the trade, we see this kind of the correction. As I say, we protect our trade. That means we move our sub loss to where we can, or at least to break even in case there is a reversal. Okay, now we want to, based on whatever the analysis we have, we couldn't get the buy and the price drop, then whatever we have here is not valid anymore. Now we want to see how we can analyze for the next week and how we can trade it. This is what we get, and based on the daily chart we don't have the information. Now the question is whether this one there is a continuation to get the deeper correction, or the correction can be this for one move up. We cannot confirm it right now. Okay, in this case we move to 4 hour chart. Okay, based on the 4 hour chart also we don't have anything similar to daily chart. That means there is no trade setup. The only thing is whether this is a correction in relative to this or not. If yes, how about the MACD? Nothing more. No much information. And right now we don't have any trade setup. Just we need to wait for the next week. We see how this one continue. If we get the correction, maybe we can look for down move. But right now we don't have anything, so we cannot say whether we should look for buy or sell. Nothing. How about the 1 hour chart? Also based on the 1 hour chart, when we don't have anything, and what we can see here, losing the momentum, but we cannot confirm it because of the Friday. Anyway, that means it was end of the day before market close, and now we don't have any trade setup. We just need to wait for the next week what we will get here. Then from there we can make a decision whether this is the only correction and this move is finished, or there is a continuation. Anyway, we just wait for the market to open. Then from there we see what we get here by next week. Then from there we can make a decision. That means if there is any new information or trade setup, I will update on my daily analysis. Thanks.